Hello everyone, welcome to Blender Beginner series. In the previous video, we have talked about the Extrude tool. So now let's just understand another tool, that is the Bevel tool. So the Bevel tool is basically used to smooth the objects and round the edges. So for using that, select the mesh you need to bevel and then switch to edit mode. For switching to edit mode, you simply need to press tab. In case you are still struggling with the basic shortcuts, you can check out my old video that was 15 Blender shortcuts you must know. So after switching to edit mode, here a left toolbar will appear. From here, scroll down and select the bevel tool. This icon is for the bevel. After pressing on that, you will see a yellow ball like structure appears. You can simply hold it and move your mouse up or down. This way you can easily bevel your mesh. So after you are done beveling, here you can see a left pop-out window also appears. After clicking on that, so there is a width option. You can either increase or decrease the width of the bevel. And this one is the segment option, the most useful one. In case you need to increase the number of bevels, so you can always increase the number of segments. The more segments the bevel would have, the more smoothness it will give. Let's just keep it 11, 12, done. So the rest options are used while coloring, so we will discuss them later. So now let's just understand the shortcut for bevel tool. The shortcut for bevel tool is Ctrl B. So now first select the edges by going into edit mode, and now from here select the edge select mode. Select all the edges and now press Ctrl B and move your mouse. That's way you can bevel your mesh. In case you need to increase the segments in bevel like we were increasing before, so you need to press Ctrl B and scroll your middle mouse button. This way you can either increase or decrease the number of segments in the bevel. Now let's just understand how to bevel a plane. Because in plane there are no edges, there are vertices. Let's just add a plane. After adding a plane, let's rotate it into x-axis to understand easily. Now we have added a plane. Let's just try beveling it by the simple method, that is Ctrl B. After selecting the vertices, press A to select all the vertices. Now let's press Ctrl B and move our mouse. Now you can see nothing happens because in plane Ctrl B doesn't work. So to bevel a plane, you need to press Ctrl Shift B. Ctrl Shift B is the shortcut to bevel a plane. This way, now after pressing Ctrl Shift B, you will move your mouse, so it will bevel the plane. You can always increase the number of segments by scrolling the middle mouse button.